Hi, my name is John Maguire. I'm currently an advisor at CyberPoint International in Baltimore, Maryland. I was formerly a CISI staff member at the Senate Intelligence Committee on Capitol Hill working on cyber legislation, hoping to build a bridge between public and private and hoping to compel the government to take proactive steps to shore up the security of the private sector. We wrestled with a number of different high-level issues. Those issues extended to how to best defend covered critical infrastructure, which are private sector elements. However, which will ultimately turn to the government in the defense if they're attacked by a nation state. Those challenges have immense implications. The overreach of government, or the perceived overreach of government, can often be challenging to try to describe the nuance while understanding that those companies who are in covered critical infrastructure, which includes both water, gas, electricity, have a national security imperative to shore up their respective networks. So what we sought to do was to try to build a baseline to ensure that those companies, which are now only participating in a voluntary construct, have to take involuntary steps as a result of their role in the covered critical infrastructure. So these elements, it's so imperative that they take minimal steps to shore up their networks in such a way that provides a basis for national security as it pertains to those elements. So it was an exciting time. I still see progress. However, we still haven't reached that point where I think it's imperative that those elements that constitute covered critical infrastructure that are in the private sector do what's necessary to shore up their network defense at least a minimal standard, and that should be a voluntary requirement, given that they have a national security imperative to take such action, so we can all rely on their services in the event of a high-level nation-state targeted cyber attack.